Welcome to my channel. So here we are with the Uniden 125XLT scanner, probably the best-selling scanner and very good value. It's been around a while. It does have quite a retro look to it, but in a good way. And you'll see that if you look on YouTube and Google, you'll find there's lots of backup software and help on how to use this. It doesn't work like your typical ham radio. There is a learning curve to how a scanner works. You can see it covers civil, air, military, marine, CB, 10 meter, amateur, PMR, and it goes on and on. There's the frequencies there, 25 all the way up to 960 megahertz. They've got a thing called close call, which to most ham operators will mean nothing, but it means you can turn on close call. That's the logo there, and if strong signals are received, it will put them on the screen for you. There's a very large memory base. The software that I've used that I really like that's free is made by Nick Bailey. So put in Nick Bailey UNC125 and that will come up. In the UK, to get your frequencies, you tend to upload them from Radio Reference UK. In the USA, it's radioreference.com, and that will definitely help you quite a lot. So let's have a quick look. It does come with rechargeable batteries. So and you can buy a box. Let's take out and we'll have a look. Oh, it's all fallen out of the packet. So you get quite a lot of included items, as you can see, and we'll be looking at one at a time. And I've seen that they actually, if you lose your box, I've seen these for sale on eBay, brand new. So very good instruction manual, and you're going to need this and watching the videos if you've never used a scanner before ever. If you're familiar with the Uniden way of scanners, then you'll find this one quite straightforward. But if you've never used one, it's going to be a very daunting task. But don't worry, if you keep persevering, you'll get it. And there is a quick way, also a quick way to use a scanner as well, which I'll show you. So there's your rechargeable batteries, and they actually work really well, and they last quite a good time. You've got your adapter. I'm in the UK, so we've got the adapter, carrying strap, adapter for the plug, BNC, which is a nice. I think it's quite a good quality BNC. It's all about your location rather than antenna. If you're up on a hill, or if you're in a busy area with a clear line of sight to lots of activity, you're going to receive plenty just on that rubber duck. But if you want to buy one like a Watson 800, something like that, then go ahead. So there's the device. It is nice. It's better. You can get these for around 120 second hand, but I advise get a new one. There's your charger and micro USB connector for your PC. But yeah, get a new one, because for the sake of £30, it's not worth it. I really believe that. Headphone out, and you can actually take that headphone out and plug it into a program in your PC. I'll take this off for now. I do keep these, and I am very careful with all of my equipment. I'll keep that in there. And it's underneath here be the mains charger, which I don't tend to use that much because I just use, it's only 5 volts you need, and so we've all got our mobile phones, but you'll plug in the mains charger that you use. So that's what goes in. There you go, ready to go. That's quite good. Let's put the batteries in. Now, if you're going to use rechargeable batteries, see the way that easily pulls down, and you can buy these second hand if you need to get a new one of them, no problem, little sponge there. Flick the switch to the right for the rechargeable batteries, and then just pop them in like so. Get them the right way around. Cover back on, antenna on. I will put the strap on it as well, which will go in there. I think you've got two places you could put it, there or there. And just turn it on for the first time, and it should just beep at you. Yeah, this is what you'll get when you first turn it on, because it's never been used. The light is here. Just get this light on, and then we'll start doing some videos. seeing what we can do. It looks like close call is out of the box. Close call is turned on. To turn that off, that will start to receive strong signals. You just press function, then hold, and then you go close call mode, press down, click up one and press down. Hopefully that's turned it off. Let's do that again. Close call off, yeah. Then to go back to screen, just press scan. This is where it starts beeping at you. So press this one here, search, and then hold. And volume, just press it. You get the volume. Or if you want to do the squelch, press the volume again so it's not on the screen. Press F. F appears here, so you've got these shortcut functions in red here, and other ones as well. So, and it does time out the F, so you go F, then you press, let's get it right, F, push down on the volume, and you've got your squelch there. Okay, squelch level about 3 for now, and that will time out, or you just press again. And you can, if you select search again, right now you're seeing all these numbers 1 to 0, and it's going to go all the way along scanning the different frequencies that have been programmed. But you can actually turn these numbers off. So all you do is just go 1, and as I'm going through, we're deselecting the numbers, and each number has a pre-programmed scan, which I believe you can actually change. I've turned most of them off except for 0. 0 is 10. We'll turn them back on, and it will start scanning them as well. Turn the volume knob to keep it scanning. If you press hold, you can actually type in a frequency. So we go 145.600. Press hold again. I'm now listening to GB3WR. Let's see if I can get my node. So we'll go back to scan, or search, should I say. Hold, and we'll go 434.550, like so. Enter, or down. Actually, not enter, hold. That's the thing I always get wrong. And if there's a signal come through, that will come through, and it normally shows the CTCSS. Okay, let's see if we can remember a few basics. We've got that, that's our node, but it doesn't seem to be on at the moment. We've typed in frequency, we've got search. Let's try what they call service search. So we're going to go function, and then we're going to hit search, and that's it, there you go. It's called a service search. So it goes through the different services that are pre-programmed into this device. So you've got aircraft at the moment, and it'll keep going through. It'll do marine, it'll do CB. You get the idea. There's services. All along you can hold. If you hear something you don't actually want to listen to, just press the lockout. See, this is the lockout button. Temporary lockout means you're not going to hear it. Hit it again, and you can stop that from happening. And you can if you press it again or turn the radio on and off, it's going to go back to normal. You've got function. Hit the on off button, and you can start setting the backlight and the contrast. I like it quite strong. There you go. To go back to search, just go search. You've got scan here. Now the reason there's nothing there is because we haven't programmed anything there at the moment. So we need to, I'm pretty sure we have to add some what they call favorites, okay? Favorites, but I'm reasonably new to this. You know about the close call function. There's your close call, and there are, it does actually save the contacts that it gets on close call. So if someone walks past my house within the frequency range of this device and they're transmitting, I'm going to pick it up, and it's going to come through, and it will tell you what those hits are. You've got to turn that on. Back to scan. Go back to search, then it's searching now. We'll press hold, then we'll go F step, and you can adjust the step that it scans. Look, that's your step. Now you've got the mode here as well. Back to scan, F mode, and you're going to go AM or FM. You have to be quick, F, because it does time out the F button. back to FM. Turn off the beep, you go F beep. Priority channel, never use priority channel, but it looks like you can set a priority. And then when you want to have that, I'm guessing you just go F, priority, and then you've got the, it's a bit like close call, where you give it the priority channel. Say I set my HubNet node as priority. You give it the do not disturb or priority scan and plus. So I actually don't know what priority plus means. So like I said, it's a learning curve. Programming cable, belt strap. I think I've showed you the basics. So get yourself some software, connect this to the PC. It does look amazing when it's connected to the PC. I'll just show you. Do a cable in there. This is the Nick Bailey software. As soon as you connect it, I mean, this one's found it automatically. Select your port just by right click device manager. Just right click on this logo here and you'll get your device manager. Double click port. There it is there, 7. Then you've got port just here. It's already found it, I think, but we'll click it anyway. Oh, there you are. It's now reading everything on the scanner. And you can completely control the scanner. Go back to search, and you can control the volume as well. Hear that in the background. So when you program things, now it's saying that there are things in the bank, so you can just have a look. View edit. Now they're all blank channels, look. So we can load that up. You call it a HPE file, I'm pretty sure. So find this software. Actually, it's a program called radioreference.co.uk. That's your UK ones where you can search different frequencies and import them. You just choose a random airport and then just go, when you've paid your subscription, you go scanner export and it creates a file for you that you can use. And same goes for radio reference, but there's a lot more to it than that. So feel free to ask me any questions, because as I learn, I get a lot of questions as well, and people saying, well, this is how you do it, that's how you do it. And I learn from that and I turn it into a video. I enjoy making the videos anyway, because it's pretty much reinforces my learning. But there you are in my hand. Let's just turn on my HubNet node. Just remember that it's not a digital scanner. It won't get DMR. If you want DMR, you need to get the 3600. Looks like that. Price-wise, you know, over 400, 150. This one's from RADIOWORLD. It's a no-brainer, isn't it? If you just want to learn and you're not really sure if you want one. Let's turn on close call and see if it detects my node. We'll go F, close call, press down. We'll call it priority, so it'll come through over everything. It should find it. We've done close call mode, priority, then down to exit. It could be there's no activity. Oh, there it comes. Press any key, it's found it.
I've been on the repeater to Malta. No.
He's not very loud, that station, but normally it's quite a loud device, this.
Although the parrot's working, and he were okay. But yesterday, from this instance, I thought, oh, I'll go on Talk Group 91, Hotel California.
And it will pick up your repeaters, tones. You've got a main menu here. Go function, enter. Oh no, it wasn't. That's actually creating and saving a channel on channel number 1. No is that dot, and the yes is the E. Let's just go yes for now. And it gives you the option to, you can change the frequency, or you can tag it. You can give it a name, push down, start to type a name. I'm not going to do that now. But you move to the right with the 6 and to the left with the 4. So we push to come out, set CT CSS, which you don't actually really need to do if you're just receiving. You can delete the channel, and then you do have banks. There are banks on here as well, but we're not going to do that now.
Delta. Yes, at least, young sir, you're at the right side of the hill, North Yorkshire. I must admit, although living in Hampshire, I have been since about 1967, my home was the West Riding of Yorkshire. So I've
Okay,
still
thanks for
got,
watching my channel, 7-3, all the
an
best.
accident to get back
Uniden
someday. In fact, now someone
UBC125XLT.
else I've got